So I got my PhD from University of Houston, and there I got my PhD in applied mathematics, specifically numerical partial differential equations, and that was the simulation of sound waves is what I worked on. And following that, I moved to University of Texas at El Paso, where I became the assistant director for the bioinformatics department. There I was working on statistical analysis related to DNA and DNA analysis, and after that I moved back to India, and since then I have been doing research work in more on the financial statistics side of things, and now I'm going to be joining OP Jindal, and with this I'm going to be concentrating on the teaching the AI related and other data science stuff. And all throughout my career I have always been interested in applied mathematics, so I've worked on applying the same core principles of data and mathematics to any field. So it could be medical sciences, which I've worked in, or engineering, or finance. So any application of mathematics is something that interests me. So my history with AI and related algorithms actually goes all the way back to middle school, going into high school. At that point, Sudokus were extremely popular, and I was trying to write an algorithm to solve Sudokus automatically. And at that point, someone told me about backtracking algorithms, which were a way to write those solving algorithms. So since then, I've always been interested in such AI related algorithms. And something that has been interesting is that the current wave of AI and its explosion has tracked very well with my entering college and higher studies. So I've always followed the current progress of what was happening in AI research. And over the last few years, the access to tools with which we can study and apply these AI and data science algorithms on a more personal level has increased so much that it has become a more viable option for people like me who are interested in the field to continue their research and get others interested in it as well. My advice to students in terms of the skills that will be required is an analytical mind. So in the two core parts that are going to be used in this entire course are going to be the mathematical side of things or the computer science / application side of things. In both of those, they are not very complicated. It's easy to understand what you're doing. The skill that is required and is going to be important is problem solving and analytical skills. So if you have been able to apply those skills in any other topic, in any other subject, in any other area of life, those skills will transfer over to this course as well. We live in a data economy these days. Everything you do, your data is being collected, and that data is going to be used by companies, and it is being used in every single field that it is being used in every single field that you can think of. So in terms of what your job opportunities are going to be, it is up to you. Whatever fields you find interesting over the coming few years, or they are already currently doing so, they are going to be making a heavy use of data and of AI. And the aim of this course is to give you an understanding of the algorithms that are behind all these different models that are being used. And with that understanding, you can basically go into the field of your choice and use your skills, and whether it comes to the application part of these models or whether you want to go more towards the research side and develop newer models. In both cases, the fundamentals are the same, and that is what this course will equip you with. And after that, which field and industry you go in is up to you and your interests. My advice to students would be, do not be scared by the terminology and all the fancy terms being thrown around. The concepts behind these are extremely intuitive and simple to understand. And if you come in with an open mind about both the technical and the mathematical aspects of the course, we will guide you through the process in an easy to understand way. And don't worry too much about any complicated terminology you may hear. We are going to demystify all of those terms and what they mean, and give you an intuitive understanding of those ideas. And with that understanding, you will be able to excel at this course.